Okay, what's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And what I will be doing today is just giving you a video. Basically, I try to record all of my sessions that I have that I could just break up for YouTube when I do various reviews. So I could just insert some B-roll. But the problem with that is I have a lot of sessions that just pile up and I feel like I really don't have much to do with them. So what I want to do is I want to start just giving you guys kind of sort of like the raw video of, how I actually work, how I interact with the client and stuff like that. So what I'm thinking about doing is, they have the little things that you can subscribe to on YouTube to support the channel. I'm thinking about putting it there, but I'm gonna put the first couple here for free just to give people, just to see if they like it or not. This is kind of sort of like a test run to see if I should continue this or not. So, with this session, basically, it was just a 3-light setup with a V flat. So, you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Once again, I won't be talking to the camera or anything. This is just me and the client and, working with things as it goes. So you want to stand. So let me have you come up here more. Stay right there. Just want to make sure. Okay. Put this down some. Oh. All right, this is just going to be a test shot. Okay, let me just turn this down a little bit. And then I'll lighten the back down some too. Okay. And then let me have you, I want you facing like this. I like that. Yes, 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 yes. And then let's just take this down a little bit. Perfect. All right, so you know how you was looking down, do that again for me, and then excuse me, with your eyes only, look at the camera. Let me.
I like that.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Let's get some like straight on.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Just straight on. I am, however, going to do one thing. All right, let me see. Put that black was just too black for me. Okay, I like that better. Let me just see how far I could push it. That's good. Don't move.
Oh, nice.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
I like that. So, because I didn't want the black to be like just fading away, like,
Yeah.
you know, so I put that light behind us. So, you know, trying to define it. Nice. Nice. And let me get one like this right quick. Perfect. I kind of want like a whole BTS shot of like everything I got going, if possible. Let me see if I can. Do me a favor. Remember where you are. I just want you to step that, like, don't move forward, backwards. Just right there. Perfect. Just so I can like show everything. Wow, this is as wide as I could get. All right, cool. All right, that's my BTS shot. There we go. Perfect. Trim down a tad bit. Perfect. Perfect. Remember how you was doing that before? Let me get you to do that right quick. And let me come from us. Yeah, let me come like this. Hold up. Let me see how that looks. I like it. Chin down the. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Stay like that. Okay. Okay.
Oh, wow. Love that.
Like it?
Yes. Oh my gosh, these are so cool.
I like this one.
Yeah. I like
These
the
are the.
BTS too. They look so fun.
Well, did I? Oh, I missed it. I missed that backlight in this one, but I got it in this one.
Cool.
Okay. All right, cool. We can do the next outfit. How many lights was this? 1, 2, 3, and then a V flat. All right, cool. You can change and then
Okay.
I'll set this up.